Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Chevy Tahoe key fob battery. This simple process can save you time and money. You will need a new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is widely available. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to help gently open the key fob casing. Let's get started with the first step. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button to slide out the emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot inside the key fob where the key was. Insert your small flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery nestled inside. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Note its orientation before removal. Now, take your new 3-volt CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing down, just like the old one was. It should fit snugly. With the new battery in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Slide the emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking, unlocking, and remote start, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.